ma'am.
Hello everyone. So today this is our day 3. Day 3, correct? So today we are going to solve new questions. And we are having our student with us. Now, without wasting any moment further, let's start. So are you ready? Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
So the question that I'm going to start with is merge intervals. So
Okay.
can you explain this question?
Uh, okay, so the question is stating that we are given an array of intervals with its
What is
start
an
and
interval?
ending values.
What is an interval?
In interval is a range of values.
Now, this is an interval. What it
Yeah,
means?
it means from 1 to 3, starting from 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3.
Yes. Means starting from this, ending to this, all the values are included. Next, continue
Yes,
please.
ma'am. When those intervals are given, we have to merge if there are any overlapping ones. That is, if one is overlapping with the other one,
Hmm.
we have to merge those. And if they are not overlapping, we have to just separately add them into a separate array and return the final array, what we are
We have to return
obtaining.
an array of the non-overlapping intervals that cover all the intervals in the input. Correct? So this is our
Yes,
intervals.
ma'am.
This is 1 to 3. This is 1 to 3. This is 2 to 6. Suppose here it is 2 and here it is 6. So it is 2 to 6. Now this is 8 to 10. And this is 15 to 18. Correct? Now here this is a overlapping interval. We can write this as 1 to 6. This is a non-overlapping. This is non-overlapping. So there are 3 non-overlapping intervals. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How can we solve this question?
Whereby brute force, we have to check each and every interval
Hmm.
and check if the starting value is smaller than the ending value of the initial interval.
Hmm.
And we have to merge those if that's the case, or we just simply add it to the final answer vector and finally return the.
Suppose brute force will be, I will be taking this and I have to compare this with entire rest.
Yeah.
Similarly for this.
Yes, ma'am.
But brute force will be n square complexity, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now can we do better? Something that you can think.
uh, where we can sort the array, which is n log n, which is better than n square.
Correct. We can sort. Okay. Okay. We can sort these
When we
intervals.
sort, yeah,
Hmm.
based on the first index.
Hmm. Hmm.
After sorting, we'll push each of the intervals into the answer vector
Okay.
such that
Okay.
uh, the second uh,
Means we will
index
push
of the
the non-overlapping, right?
yeah, non-overlapping only. But so for suppose we are taking this example, the example one,
Hmm.
we can the answer vector
Hmm.
and then we'll check the next interval.
Correct.
We, for the case that
Suppose I push this inside my answer vector. Answer vector
yeah,
is having 1 comma 3. And then while
yeah,
considering this, I will check it with this.
yes, ma'am.
Now, 2
I will
is
check
less
it
than
with
3.
that less than 3.
Means that
So we'll change. 3
to 6.
to the maximum value of 3 or the second value of this next interval.
Correct. Similarly, write this. Correct. We can do this.
Yeah, so
Yes.
that will be order of n plus n log n, which is better
log
than n square.
Correct. This is an open.
Yeah,
Now my question is, why sorting came to your mind?
because that way it will be easier to check all the intervals if it
Yes.
is sorted, and sorting is always better than order of n square.
Yes, very good. Correct. So let's write the solution. Now tell me, what should I write?
First will be
So there are n intervals.
endless intervals to yeah, and then we'll sort the intervals vector.
Correct. I'm going to sort based on the first element.
We'll just normally write
Yes.
intervals
It's
dot
by
sort.
default. It's by default.
Yeah, by default
But
it will be
if I
first
want to sort
index.
it on the basis of the second value, then I have to use a comparator function.
Yeah.
Do you know that?
Yes. I mean, I know that I have to use a comparator function, but I do not know the syntax.
Don't worry. In questions, next questions, we will take that. Okay? Then you will learn.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
so this is sorting is done. Now, what should we do?
Yeah. Now, we'll start a loop.
Okay? Okay. Without, like, before starting the loop, should I push the first element?
We can push the first element if by checking if n is greater than or equals to 1.
It will be, see, intervals dot length is
Yes.
with,
Yeah. So
intervals
we
dot
can
length is 1.
initially push, or we can just write a condition in the loop where if answer is empty, we'll push that
Correct.
thing.
Yes, we can do that also.
We can do that also. Yeah.
Correct. Now I just push.
Okay.
What should I do now?
We'll start the loop from I to n. Yeah.
1
And
to n.
we will check.
1
1 to n. And we'll check if uh
intervals of
answer's last element
with
second element. Last element.
intervals will be last element. Intervals will be first element, correct?
It's not always the case, right? I mean, we are sometimes changing the
Okay, tell me what should I check? Tell me.
value of the second one. Uh, uh, we have to answer's last element. Answer dot back.
Okay, answer dot back. Yes.
Second element dot second.
Okay.
Is
less than.
this should be less than the first element of intervals of I.
If this is less than first intervals of I, that's what I was writing now. Intervals of I and its first
Okay,
element.
you were writing that way.
Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
Yes.
Now, if this is condition, means these are non-overlapping intervals.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will just push.
So we'll push the
Answer dot push. Push back. What I will push? Intervals of I. Correct? Anything wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Else what I will do?
No, yeah, that's else we will
Answer dot back
change
of
the
1 is equal to
mhm,
max of. You're getting now?
answer dot back of 1 or intervals of I dot I of 0.
Answer dot back. Correct. answer dot back of 1, comma, intervals of I of 1. Correct?
Hmm.
Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this fine? Now I should
Yes, ma'am.
return my answer.
Answer.
Quickly check, is this fine?
In line 7, it is answer dot pushback. The
Yes,
syntax.
it will be pushed back.
Yeah, I think this has to work.
Answer dot back. No member named vector, standard vector. Answer dot, it's a vector, na?
Okay, it's a vector. It's
Yes,
not a
because it's
pair.
a vector
Okay.
of vector.
Answer. Yeah, yeah. Answer dot back was 0. I think. Oh, yeah, 1.
Second, na?
Yes.
Here it's correct. Here it's correct. Only that was wrong. Now it's accepted. So yeah, this solution is correct. We got this solution because we have to merge now. So we thought of sorting. And here the time complexity
Yes.
will be n log n.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. And the space complexity will be constant. This is a medium question. And you solved like a easy question. That's good. That's really good. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, can we do something better?
Better than this.
Yeah. Can we do something better?
Mm, I don't know. Maybe
Can you think of something better that we can do in this question?
I can think of something else, but I can't think of anything better.
What else you can think of?
Maybe we can take an array or something, and we'll initiate an array of size which is equals to the largest element in the thing,
No, these things won't
and
help.
then yeah, that will become very complex.
No, this is better.
Okay, so what do you
So
suggest?
this is the better solution that we can do, right?
Yeah, that's as far as I can tell.
Now let's move to our next question. So this is our next question. Merge sorted array.
Okay.
So you are given two
Okay.
integer arrays. This is a question, merge sorted array.
Yeah.
Are you able to understand this question?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Please tell me, what is this question saying?
Well, we are given two arrays, nums1 and nums2 of size mn respectively,
Hmm.
and they want us to merge these both arrays in a non-decreasing order
Hmm.
and store the final array in nums1 instead of storing it in a separate array and returning the separate array. So they want us to modify nums1 that such that it's the merged version of nums1 and nums2 in the non-decreasing order.
Now, non-decreasing order. What is mean by non-decreasing order?
In a non-decreasing order, the next element can be greater than or equals to the previous order.
Yes, very good. And what is an increasing order? What is the difference between the non-decreasing order and increasing order?
In an increasing order, the next element must be strictly greater than the previous element.
Yes, it will
But in
be strictly
non-decreasing order,
greater.
it
Yes,
can be equal also.
correct. It will be greater than equal to. Next element will be
Yeah.
greater than equal to, and this is strictly greater. Very good. These are small things that people might miss, right?
Yes.
So yes. So here we have to accommodate. So we are having two integer arrays which are sorted in non-decreasing order. Correct? And we
Yes.
have to merge it. Correct? And the final result will be a sorted
Yeah.
one.
Hmm.
This is the part one, what we want to do. Then there will be a part two also. So how can we do this question?
Uh, we can use the logic that we use in merge sort. We'll initiate two indices, one for nums1 and one for nums2.
Just a second. So you are saying me we can have the two indices. There is I here, there is J.
Yes.
Correct? Now.
Yeah. Now, if one way is we can create another array
No need.
and we can store
No need.
the. Okay.
No need. Yeah, that will be a solution. But here already we are given this array now which can accommodate. So no need of that.
Okay, but if we are doing it like this, then we'll have to
Okay.
replace
So
these
let's
elements and we'll lose the element.
let's see. Suppose here 1 is less than 2. This is what we want now.
Yeah.
Proceed I.
Yeah.
Take 2 is less than equal to. Proceed I. Correct?
Yeah.
Here it's my 3.
Yeah. Yeah.
3 is
Now
there.
we'll replace that with 2.
Yes. 2, 2, 3.
But we are losing 3 there. Oh,
We
we're
are
swapping
just
them.
swapping. Correct?
Okay.
Now the next element is 0. It means we have to just take these elements here. Wait, let me check if I can have the
But
negative elements or not.
can we have zeros?
Yeah. Negative elements can be
Yeah.
there. Okay. I will be given the length now.
Yeah.
If I is equal to m minus 1, stop. And just from
Okay.
here, just scan and show, just write it.
Okay.
Now your one question
Or
will be
we
this.
can,
One question will be this, okay? Suppose here, what
or
it
we can
is,
do.
suppose, just a second.
Okay.
Suppose here it is 7. And I just swapped. This is 2 and this is 7.
Mm.
Correct? Now writing this won't help me, na?
Yeah.
So what should be done?
So we can start placing the elements from behind. We'll place them in the reverse order. And I and J will start from the last element.
Okay, so you are telling me another solution, na?
Yeah.
No, yeah. Please state me the solution.
So we'll
What should
have
I do?
3 indices instead of 2.
Sorry,
One will be the
I
one
haven't
will
got.
be
Yeah, tell me what should I do
we'll have
from this sketch? Yeah. Where should be I and J?
so we'll have 3 indices I, J, and K.
Okay.
Okay. So
Where is
one
I?
is for I is at m minus 1 at the end of nums1 array. That's at 3.
I. Okay.
J is at the beginning, the ending of nums2.
Okay.
And K is at the end of nums1. That's a m plus n minus 1
Correct.
step.
Okay.
So now we compare I and J and we'll
Hello? Hello?
push the last element at kth position.
Your voice was cut out.
Hello?
Can you just repeat?
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm telling that. Okay, so I'm trying to tell that we can compare the ith element and the jth element of nums1 and nums2, and we'll
Okay.
push the larger element into kth position and then
Okay.
decrement k.
So I just push 6 and K is here. Now I will push
Yeah, and
5
j
and
comes
K
to
is here.
5. Yeah,
Correct? K is
and then
here.
3 is pushed.
And
Yeah,
now 3 is pushed and K is here.
yes,
And
yeah,
I is here.
yeah,
Correct? Now
yeah,
what it is 2 only. So I can push anyone.
yeah, yeah,
I just push it and J will be, okay, J will be here. And J will be 0, it's okay.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
this is a good approach. Very good. In the starting, we were having that only, na? Suppose we just swap the bigger element, so there is a problem.
Yes,
Correct? Now let's write the solution.
yeah.
Very good. Now tell me, how should I write the solution?
Int I is equals to m minus 1.
Yes, very good. M minus 1.
Int j is equals m minus 1.
J is equal to
And
n
j is
minus
equals
1.
to n minus 1.
K is equal to
K is equals
m
to m plus n
plus
minus
n
1.
minus 1. Yes, very good. Now,
Yes. Now while I is less than m and j is, oh sorry, I is greater than or equals to 0 and j is greater than or equals to 0.
hmm. Anything else required?
Uh, okay, we actually don't need I and j. We only need k to be greater than or equals to 0.
It's okay. It won't differ. Okay.
Yeah.
I and J are better. Why? Suppose now here,
We have reached the end and decrement.
suppose here, it is 6, 5.
Yeah.
Correct? Now here will be 3 and I will be 2, 2. Suppose I just decrement it is 2. J is greater than equal
Yeah.
to stop. This is already sorted.
Yeah.
So this is good. Now, what should I write?
Uh, if nums 1 of I is
Hmm.
greater than nums 2 of
Is greater
j,
than equal to nums 2 of
nums 2
J.
of j,
Then what I will do? Nums 1 of K
nums 1 of k is equals
equal
to
to
nums 1 of I.
nums 1 of I. Correct. What I can do here is, so I have to do
K
this, and this.
minus minus.
Correct?
Yeah.
What I can do is, this is post decrement.
Yeah.
Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Use K, then decrement.
Yeah.
Correct, na? You know this, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. Else, what I will do? Nums 1 of K,
Nums 1 of k is equal to
nums 2 of J minus minus.
yeah.
Correct? So is
Yeah.
that fine? Is that okay?
Yeah. After
Anything
that,
else
we'll have
required?
to run another loop.
Why?
We have to run the loop so that we can insert the rest of the J's elements into the array, I think.
Yes, very good.
So
Why?
suppose, yeah,
So what should
J
be
is greater
condition?
than or equals to 0.
Hmm.
J is greater than or equals to 0.
Hmm. Nums 1 of K minus minus is equal to nums 2 of J.
Now it's move J. Now it's this. Okay.
Correct? Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Should I run?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, accepted. Very good. Now there is another variation of this question.
Okay.
Suppose there are two arrays which are sorted.
Okay.
Merge sorted arrays. This one. Merge two sorted arrays.
We just did that, right? We are sorting, merging two sorted arrays.
No, this was not. This is another. There's a small variation of this. Now there's. Let me tell you myself. Okay. Now here, suppose now. Now suppose these are the two arrays. Correct?
Yes.
Here this is not given. Only the array is still this. And this is still this. You want to sort the both. So what should be the answer here? 1, 2, 2. Here 3, 5, 6. Like this.
Mhm.
This is what we have
Yeah.
to achieve. Getting the point now?
Sorry, what? No, no.
So this is what we have to achieve.
Achieve what exactly? I didn't get it.
See, the extra space is not given.
Okay.
And the sorting will be inside this and this. The elements will be shuffled and the entire, means suppose I'm having nums1.
Okay.
Okay. And I'm not having this. This is till this. Nums1 is
Okay.
this, nums2 is this. It's like I'm
Okay.
sorting these both two together. It will be 1, 2, 2 and 3, 5, 6. And the answer I'm writing
Okay.
here and here. It will be 1, 2, 2 and
Mhm.
it will be 3, 5, 6. Like this.
Okay.
Got the thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now think how we can do this. One way is like we can use the extra space.
Yeah.
But we have to do this in place. Do you know what is meant by in place?
Yes, ma'am. Without using extra space, we
Yes.
have to do it with
No
the
extra
arrays
space.
that we already did that.
Yes. Now think about some solution for this. I'm giving you 2 minutes to
One.
think. Take 2 minutes. Think nicely and then tell me the solution. Okay? It's very important to take time.
Okay.
Okay? Take time and then tell me.
Okay. One way I can think of is,
Yes.
uh, we can like initialize two indices at the beginning of both the arrays,
Okay. This is I
and
and this is J. Okay.
we will swap if the element is greater, if jth element is greater than the sorry, ith element is greater than the jth element, we'll swap both the elements.
So you want to push all the elements which are greater into this array.
No, no, no. Nums of one only. If nums of if ith element, the index ith element is greater than the index jth element,
Hmm.
then
Then
we'll
you want
swap.
to swap now.
Yeah.
So now 1 is
So the
less than
greater
2.
elements will come into nums.
Correct.
Yeah.
1 is less than 2. No swap. I
So
will
we
be
won't
go to
swap.
next. Yes. Now here it will be
Yeah.
equal. No swap.
Mm.
Now here you want to swap now.
Now there will be a swap. Yes.
You want to swap. So this will be 2 and this will be 3.
Yeah.
Correct.
And j will be incremented, and when I increases,
Hmm.
and if I is greater than m plus 1, sorry, I is greater than m, greater than or equal to m,
Hmm.
and less than m plus n minus 1,
Hmm.
then we'll
M plus n minus
consider
1. There
I
is no m
to
plus n
be,
minus 1 now.
no, but then if the case was something like if 3 was 7,
That's
we
what
will
I
not
want to
have
tell.
nums to sorted, right?
Yeah.
So what I'm doing here is if I is greater than m, greater than or equals to m and less than m plus n minus 1, I
Hmm.
will make I as 0, or so that it will be the first index of second array. Once the ith index is coming out of the first array, I
Hmm.
want it to go into the first element of the second array.
Wait, wait, wait,
And if
wait,
I and j becomes
wait,
equal, then we'll
wait.
return.
Wait. Just give me 2 minutes. I will get that question because now we have to solve in the test cases as it will like a complex one.
Okay.
Just give me 2 minutes. I will get the question. Hello, everyone. Welcome to exam prep 2. So, you are seeing now, you are seeing how she is giving the answers so nicely. Yes. She is a student. She is APT student. Okay. She is being trained by IITians and IITians. She is a student. Correct. So, do you also want to be like her, like a or a better version? So, guidance is very important. Correct. Yes. Sir. Okay. See, she's a student. She's a DSA student. Correct. Yes. See, in a DSA plus system design course, the developers from Microsoft, Google, and Oracle are teaching. That's amazing now. Yes, that's amazing. That's literally amazing. The developers from Google, Microsoft, and Oracle are teaching. That's amazing. That's literally amazing. So, and there is a 70% off going on with my coupon EPT 217 NID. Just go to the exam prep tool website and just do it. Okay? Yes. And we are having GATE CSE also for the Tier 3 students who are having the dream of going to IITs. ISA or a PSUs, we are having GATE CSE. And in all the GATE CSE courses also, you can find the link in our description. And if you will use the coupon EPT 217 NID, you will get 70% off. Very good. That's great. Correct. Yes. Then, if you want the projects, we are having the job ready course for Oracle database. Many companies ask the database, and we are having the web and app development course also. Just use my coupon EPT 217 NID, you will get 70% off. That's great. Yes. Please do it. See, you know how she's answering. You can also be like her, or you can be better than her. Just enroll and just do it. Okay? Yes. I know you can do it. Yes. Just remember, EPT 217 NID. Correct? Yes. You can find the link of the course in the description also. Yes. Just go and start learning today. What are you waiting for? Okay? Complete this series of 30 lectures. You will be solving. Do the homework questions also. Very important. You can do it. Okay? Yes.